In this short technique video, I'm going to show you how I like to shape out pretzel dough. And here I'm starting with a pre-shaped and rested piece of dough. When you start to roll out this pretzel dough, keep in mind you want to keep a little bit more of a bulge here in the middle. This bulge will be the area where you sprinkle the salt and end up scoring. That's the part of the pretzel you see that's below the arms that are crossed over, the part that opens up when you bake it. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our hands overlapped and roll it out. And then we're going to dramatically press down as our fingers and palms are touching on the work surface and push outward. When you keep rolling it out, just make sure you do an even taper from the bulge out to the ends as best you can. So you can see it's starting to elongate here. We've got the bulge here in the middle, and we're just going to keep pushing down until we get a very long cylinder, about 18 inches or so. Okay, now once you have a tapered cylinder here, what we're going to do is we're going to drape the dough in front of you so the bulge side is away from you. Then you cross the arms twice, once, twice, and here's the part that we fold down and gently press there.